This is MSI MAG 4K dual channel 27-inch IPS monitor. It is model 275 UPD E14, and in this video I'm gonna unbox it for you, show you how to assemble it. I'm gonna tell you about its specifications, show you its ports up close, and I'll be performing a color pattern test on it, so for you to see its colors. So let's start by unboxing it. In its 4K resolution, it can go up to 144 Hz, so it's perfect for gaming. And when you put it in full HD, because as I told you it's dual mode, it can go up to 288 Hz. So let's flip the box now and pull it out very carefully. If you have someone to help you, it would be better. As you saw here, the base just flipped out. It's not a big deal as long as the monitor itself doesn't fall. So I'm gonna put it like this, and let me remove this protection. So it has very good cardboard protection. This is the arm, and this is the monitor. It's a really nice monitor. So you get in the package a display port cable of a very good quality, a power cable, some documentation. You have the 4 screws so to hold the arm on the monitor, and this is the base. And the good thing about the base is that it's screw, it has its self-tapping mechanism here, so it's very easy to install. I'm gonna start by installing first the arm on the monitor. To do this safely, I'm gonna put the packaging back here, and I'm gonna flip the monitor onto the packaging so that to protect its face. And now we can install safely the arm on the back of the monitor. So this is the arm, should go here like this on the back of the monitor. We need a Phillips head screwdriver, and you need of course to open the screws that are in this bag, and start by putting the first screw. Do not tighten it now. We're gonna tighten all the screws at the end. And always when you install screws, install them diagonally. So now install the second screw here. And now when you install the last screws, you can tighten all the screws. Do not over tighten them. Just tighten them until they stop turning and you feel resistance in the screw. And this is the arm installed on the monitor. Now we need to install the arm on the base. So hold the monitor like this, and this is the base. And the base has a key, so it's a square, and the bottom of the monitor here also, it's a square, so it cannot go wrong. And once it is like this, just turn the screw here like this and tighten it. So this is the monitor installed on the base, and notice that it can swivel like this, and also it can go up and down. So the height adjustment is really very good in this monitor. You feel that it is sturdy, and of course also you can tilt it like this. I'm gonna remove now all the protection from it. So also this screen has integrated speakers. So the speakers are here, and this is the on-off button. So it has a power port here, it has HDMI 1, HDMI 2, display port entry, and this is 3.5mm audio jack output. What I also like about this monitor is that it has cable management here. So I'm gonna put the power cable here, and then I'm gonna connect it also with the other VGA cable. Let's turn on the monitor for the first time. I'm gonna run a pattern test on the monitor so that to check its colors. So this is the test pattern that I've put now on the monitor, and I've put it in 144 Hz in 4K, and the background music that you're hearing is from the monitor's speaker also. All the colors are reproduced accurately, and all the pixels are working perfectly in this monitor. Look at the red, how nice it is, and the green. If you want to check out this monitor, I'm gonna leave an affiliate link in the description. If you make a purchase using this link, I'm gonna gain small percentage, but this is at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. And if you liked my video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I wanna thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.